Hello and welcome to Mellow Labs. For today's episode, Elecrow sent me a Raspberry Pi development kit thing. It says it's advanced, but everything in it seems relatively simple. So instead, I'm actually going to get one of my friends to do it for me, who has never done electronics before. Meet Cloud. Here you go. Have fun.
So, I've never even held a soldering iron before. I'm very scared of them because they're hot.
They are very hot.
Yeah.
So
shall I open it up?
Yeah, let's go.
Can I line this and throw this away?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay.
He's gonna need that later.
But I have you.
Yep.
And you're a pro.
Yep.
So
I'm a pro.
what's your... So I'm guessing the manual probably has some sort of like a first tutorial. I'm gonna just lay these out.
Okay.
Should I take these out or like, should I just lay them out for now?
You're not gonna need most of these for what we're gonna be doing today.
I see.
But yeah, just lay it all out. So we've got a soil moisture sensor. We've got a
cool
photoresistor. We've got a bunch of LEDs. We've got a screen. That's nice. This is a motor driver.
This kind of looks like a microphone.
Yes.
So basically the main difference between me and him is he's hardware, I'm software. So I think of everything as code.
Yep, I'm hard, he's soft. This is a laser diode.
Ooh, what does that do?
It shoots a laser.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a bunch of wires.
Yes, those are a bunch
Cool.
of wires.
A generic remote?
Kinda. Well, it comes with a receiver, so you can actually hook this up to the Raspberry Pi, and then when you press a button on this, it tells the Raspberry Pi which button has been pressed, so you can do something like literally control a little car with just these.
Cool.
And I think part of the instruction is actually doing that. So
I see wheels. I do see wheels.
Yeah, so
I'm
it
guessing...
does come with like a car kit kind of thing. So I think that's what we're going to be putting together today.
Oh, we're going to be making a car?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, so these are like not programs, so you still have to like...
You still have to write the software for them. You have to connect it all together and then just tell the Raspberry Pi or whichever microcontroller you're using what to do with it.
And the actual star of today.
Yes, that is the Raspberry Pi Pico W, or as the community lovingly calls it, the Raspberry Pi Cow.
What? Why? Oh, okay.
Because Pico W.
Got you.
People read it as Pi Cow. So on the website, you can pick between the regular Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi W, and there is a different price for both of them. And you can also have an option with no microcontroller, so if you just want all of this, I didn't expect you to open it already. That's fine.
So does the normal... So basically, does the normal one and this one do the same thing, pretty much?
The same thing, but this one has Wi-Fi.
Oh, so that's like the distinguishing thing. Why doesn't the
W
bigger one
stands
have...
for Wi-Fi.
Oh, that makes sense. Why doesn't the bigger one have Wi-Fi on it? Because it would make sense.
It doesn't need... Well, they're the same thing.
Yeah.
Just...
Oh, I see the chip. I see the Wi-Fi chip. Cool.
Yeah, so they're exactly the same thing. It's just that one has a Wi-Fi thing.
Oh, this is actually quite small as well. I thought it would be bigger.
No. There's a lot of interesting things in here, which is good for a beginner, but like, where do you start? That's always my issue.
I guess I'm guessing the manual I threw away.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Handy screwdriver, also in yellow, matching.
Yes.
Matching.
Do you want to take out the? Do you want to show its multifunctionality?
I didn't know that. Oh my god.
It is.
It does both, guys.
It's.
This thing scares me the most. I don't
They
know
are
why.
intimidating.
I don't know why, and I have some questions. If you can please answer them.
Sure. Do you want to open it?
Yes. So, what are they first?
It's called a breadboard.
So, but breadboards are usually green. I've seen you use breadboards, and they're usually green. Is
No,
this
you're
just
thinking of prototype PCB board.
Oh.
Prototype boards. I'm not allowed to call them prototype PCB boards.
Why?
Because it's like calling none bread.
Oh, okay. Oh, because it's literally prototype. Okay, wow.
So, yeah, you see me using these, which are just.
So what is the
prototype
difference
boards.
between this and this?
So this is what you like lay out the electronics on, because you don't have to solder to this.
So this actually has a wire running. This has
Kind
wires
of. It has like a weird
them.
clip on the inside that you can just stick like these pins in, and it will hold them in. This won't hold them in. You have to solder them down. I think you can also link these together. So if you need a bigger one, you can. Then you've got a double board.
Got you.
And
That is everything in this box.
awesome.
Are we making this car then?
I think it'll be a good start.
Do you think you can make it without the instructions and walk me through it, or like do we just have this on the side?
I could. You know. I can. You know.
Yeah. Okay. We'll just put this here for insurance.
Inspiration.
Inspiration. Should I just put in everything back in the box? Right.
Nah, we'll just move this aside.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instructions say tear off, not cut, tear off
So sorry.
the protective film from the surface of the acrylic devices. From the surface of the acrylic,
All
all
acrylic
acrylic devices.
These instructions are not good. Straight off the bat. I
don't-
may not
okay,
know
so
what a surface
I
is or an
think-
acrylic.
So
or,
I don't think they mean the shrink wrap that's on here. I think they mean the actual
like-
covering on that.
Oh, okay.
So I guess first you have to remove the brown from the...
That's what you're talking about? It's on both sides?
Yep. This might take a while. I'm gonna make a tea.
Oh my lord. Electronics, everybody. This is so stressful.
This is just gonna be like...
Okay, this time I want to start on the clever side. Wait, so every part of your 3D printer was like this?
Yep.
Good lord.
Yay! No,
Only
yeah.
took 2 hours.
I guess we need instructions.
We do need instructions.
So,
So many things.
long story short, solder on the wires to the motor. Okie dokie. So you've got a set of wires there. No, these ones.
Cool.
These ones you're gonna have to solder onto these parts on the motor.
Question.
Yeah.
Does it matter on motors which is plus and minus?
Not at this stage.
Not at this stage. Cool.
I'll do it on this one. I'll show you
Cool.
what the rough plan is.
Okay.
And then you can do it for both of those.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna need solder wire, and you're gonna need
So
a
there-
soldering iron.
Really should. Okay, I guess you usually get that with the soldering iron.
Yeah.
So they expect you to have.
Yeah, so they expect you to have some
Okay,
tools,
cool.
but apparently they don't expect you to have a screwdriver that actually fucking works.
Hey, stop hating. It's yellow.
I'ma hate it nonetheless. It's
Okay.
a shitty screwdriver.
It does look really flimsy.
Do
So
you want to practice on something?
I think
else?
I think I could give it a go. If I mess up, as you said, you could just take it off,
Yeah.
right? So which button do I press?
It's already on. You don't have to worry
Oh,
about
okay, cool.
it. Yeah. Okay. So if you hold it onto that piece and then go in with the solder wire, so you want to heat it up first with the soldering iron. Also, one thing that might help you, see how there's a flat edge on that soldering iron?
Oh, like use that as the.
Yeah, that's kind of gonna have most of the heat
Well,
in it.
is-
Yeah, exactly.
So do I shape it with this or that?
You can just hold the soldering iron on it for a while.
Oh, and it kind of
Yeah,
spreads.
yeah, because you want the metal to warm up so that it embraces the.
Can you accidentally melt this point with
Yes.
the? Oh, you can. So you shouldn't really hold it on there.
Not for
too long.
a few seconds is fine, but you know, you'll sort of start feeling it melt as it goes to shit.
Okay.
So instead of giving you a helping hand, I'll give you this because it'll be easier to hold the motor.
Okay. It seems very hardware-y.
Yeah, it'll just make it that little bit easier to actually hold it. Just hold it down for a bit, wait for it to melt into, because you'll want that metal to... Yeah, there you go.
I did it.
Yep,
I
you got
did it. I'm gonna fix
Yeah,
this one
fix
because it
that
looks
one.
stupid.
Awesome. So now you can attach one red wire and one black wire.
And it doesn't matter which end it goes on.
No, not really.
Okay. I'm
No,
gonna
you know
burn
that
myself.
you know that meme of the Kardashians trying to cut a cube? This is exactly what this feels like.
Hey, it feels like it to me as well. This is. So you said put the wire on it first and then let it melt.
Put the soldering iron on it first. Let the solder melt a bit, and then put the wire on top of it.
Okay.
There you go.
Melted on.
Yep.
I did it.
Touch it a bit more, I think. Let it.
It's solid. There.
You got it. Yes.
That was my first ever solder. Yay! I'm gonna do the other one without Tom looking. Unsupervised.
Yeah.
I did it.
You got one done.
I did it. Can confirm, not that hard. Give it a go. It did it.
It is fine. Okay, moving on. Hip hip hooray. Okay, now we need those small plastic pieces to mount the motor onto this. It doesn't look very approachable on the instructions.
Instructions are definitely like a C plus.
Like how?
I would say, like, if they're not, I feel like they could have done a better job with the
Okay,
pictures.
so wait, hold on. That's like that. So the motor's on top.
Right? You know what I mean? Because it looks like it's up this.
No, look, you've got the
I'm
side
holding. I think we're holding it the wrong way.
No, because look, you've got the front of it there.
Oh, okay, cool. That makes sense. That helps a bit. The pictures could definitely be clearer and bigger. I think less text, more picture.
Do you want to hold the nut and screw it in using the screwdriver from the other side?
You know what? That would be a lot easier. But then how would I hold this? Yeah, give me the... Okay, don't let us down. He will actually destroy you if you don't work now. It's working. I can feel it is working, yay. So, same dealio. This goes on the outside. This will go in the inside. So far, I would say a child would struggle. And this hole doesn't go into this. Yeah, it's not. It's actually like too small for it.
Oh.
We need a file.
Oh.
Please quality control your stuff. This is gonna help, but... Ah! They both zoom into my face. Wait, I don't think that did. Oh, no, it worked. Okay, there you go. So, a handy file or maybe sanding paper?
File would be easier.
Yeah.
Because it's rigid.
Are we giving them feedback?
Well, they don't have a say in the video. They just told me, hey, can you make a video with this thing? And I went, yes, it will come out in February. And then they messaged me in January. It's like, hey, where's the video? And I went, it will be out in February. And then they shut up. But yeah, I didn't tell them that I'm going to be doing anything specific with it. They just sent me the kit and I went, yeah, I'll make a video at some point.
Apparently. Okay. Okay, we did it.
Yes, now tell me what you did wrong.
Why didn't you tell me before? Oh my god! You're such an... Why? How am I supposed to undo this?
Oh, I can't wait for your fiance to see this.
So the thing I'm taking away from this is that this is definitely not something you can rush through. Like I thought I could speedrun this.
Yeah.
But I think it's definitely not one of the. It's definitely one of those things you like sit down, spend like a good like 2-3 hours on it. I mean, obviously you know what you're doing and you're used to like building things.
You did it!
I did it!
Yay! Okay. Next step. You gotta put the standoffs on. Wait, no.
No, you're skipping.
No, you gotta put the motor driver on.
Okay.
Find the motor driver. Yes.
Yes.
According to the instructions, you're supposed to put this
Yeah.
on the end of here.
Okay, I think maybe let's connect everything first.
Sure. So all you need, there's screw terminals. So you gotta unscrew them first with a flat head. Whether it goes clockwise or anti-clockwise, it doesn't matter because you can just tell the code to do it the other way.
So with this, how far in am I pushing this in?
As far as it will go.
Does the plastic bit have to go in as well?
It can do.
Okay.
And then just tighten it. 6, 2 for power, 2 for... So through each of those pins, you can tell it to whether it goes clockwise, anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
So for both motors. So you've got anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and then two of them
ground.
and two of them are going to be power and ground.
Gotcha.
So yeah, if I give you 6 cables, one.
I just want to see where it goes because it's a bit confusing. Like how.
Yeah, so
it's supposed to
it
fit.
attaches to the back. To literally, you put it on that.
The
Yeah, you see how the screw goes?
this way?
No, other way around. Yeah. So it goes in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look.
Oh, the green bit is facing that way. Okay, cool. So these two just go here, like in the pre-existing.
Yeah.
So it kind of just stands.
That's the idea.
It doesn't though.
It doesn't look like it fits very well.
I want to break it. I kind of feel like breaking it.
Can you only get one of them in at a time?
Well, they're threaded, so it's like if you get one in, the other one kind of struggles. Yeah, they're kind of small.
Yeah, no, this board just doesn't fit in here.
They were supposed to exactly. Go
Oh
there.
yeah.
Oh yeah. You're right. File.
This doesn't fit.
Elecrow, please quality control. Always quality control. Have a toddler build this, like me.
We can file it a little, but
Would it break the board?
we'll sand down both slightly.
Slightly, yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, this is actually so awkward. What am I doing with my life? This shouldn't really be a problem because they're machining these parts, so they should really like have these things.
Yeah,
It's supposed to be precise.
supposed to. Yeah, I mean.
Okay, did it. Ta-da!
So stand of sewing.
We'll.
Yeah.
Gosh, I'm making a crappy
I think you
tricycle.
put it away.
This is from an IKEA table. It feels like it. Linus told me always go diagonal.
Yeah, that's for a CPU, not for a mounted wheel.
Where are the wires coming in from? Can you tell? Or is it this hole?
I assume it would be that hole.
So weird.
Where
Why
are the
do they not
wires
have-
going?
Exactly.
Wait,
Why
hold
do
on.
they not just have diagrams?
Oh wait, we need to make what? No, you actually have to like cut one of the jumper wires in half, combine it with the wire coming off the battery thing, connect it with shrink wrap. Why? And you don't describe any of this. Wow.
Wait, that's all of the instructions?
Yeah, this is all. This is just like half a page.
Oh my lord.
This isn't advanced because it's difficult. This is advanced because the instructions are shit. Okay, so we want the positive from here to go in through here. And you want to solder it on here. Which is going to be fun.
Oh no. You said fun weird.
It's just going to be tight spacing here. If you want to make it a little easier, you can just kind of stick that in here and just bend it slightly so that it actually holds on, and you can just do both of them at the same time.
At the same time? Okay.
Yeah. So if you just touch, just
On
hold,
that side?
yeah. If you just hold the soldering iron on it and just put in solder, you'll be fine. Yeah. And now just put the solder in there.
Oh, like.
Yeah. So hold the soldering iron onto it, and yeah, there you go.
Did I do it?
Uh,
No, it's on.
No, you're good. No, that's perfect.
I did it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
No, okay. Sort of just have to guess.
They got to here and then we're like, and then just connect all the electronics together. That's literally
Yeah.
what the instructions say. Like, plug in the motors and then like connect all the electronics together.
Oh yeah, literally like shrink wrap and everything there.
Yeah.
Like.
No.
Aw.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Because I don't trust that. That switch is already melted.
Yeah. Did I break it?
Uh,
I won't get no.
yeah. So the switch is now broken. We don't need a switch. We can just take out the battery, right? Yeah. Let's do that.
The moment I picked up a file to make the hole bigger, I was like, I already know this is not gonna go like smoothly. So what are we connecting now? Oh, so we're just making the battery directly like.
We're making it so that we can actually plug in the battery holder to the breadboard with the pinouts.
Okay.
Which I don't understand why they didn't just give you the battery holder with the pinouts already on it, because they make those.
Oh well, it's fine. It's kind of holding anyways. Okay, cool.
Also, the funny thing is, they give you this for the car to like follow the black line, right? but this is like 3 times as like. Will it go? It wouldn't go around that. It's just too small.
Wait, so the car is supposed to autonomously follow this?
Yeah.
What?
Wait, honestly, I'd be surprised if we actually get this to move today.
Well, it doesn't even explain like the controller bit or anything, to be honest.
No,
So-
it's just gonna be write some code and let it run.
Oh.
Yeah, no, there's not gonna be a.
But they don't even tell you to put the sensors in.
Yeah.
So how will it see or run or
That's where the advanced bit begins.
so you basically have to figure out the rest yourself completely.
Yes.
Oh my
I mean, they
Lord.
might have just given you the parts and told you to figure it out all yourself.
Yeah, because this is not it. This is
not it.
not it. Like, I feel like me throwing this away at the start of the video was probably
what
the
we should-
best thing I could have done.
So we took a lunch break because the build process got a little out of hand, but it's done now. So, how was your experience of building it?
I never want to build anything like this ever again. Genuinely.
All right, let's program it. So you're gonna want to turn on Fanny.
Excuse me. So I feel like I remember you showing me this before, and you connect this cable here, and then you connect this cable to the computer.
Yep.
And then the funny software just picks it up by itself.
Fingers crossed. Here it tells you how to install MicroPython.
Got you.
Yeah, we don't technically need to go this way because Thani has a built-in flasher. So if you go to Thani and you go to at the bottom where it says CircuitPython. No, you see where it says install MicroPython? Yeah, just click on that.
Has it already picked up this card?
Yep. Yeah, there you go. Raspberry Pi
H?
H. W. Sorry.
W, yeah, you said W because
W.
Wi-Fi in it.
Yep, and just click install.
Cool.
Their instructions are out of date as well. Then you can just do this.
Close?
Yeah, and then click back on the bottom and select yeah, and yeah, you're in.
Okay.
So now, if you grab the code example from the provided page, yeah, this is the code you want.
DC reduction more.
Yeah, this is the code you want. This is that's the code you want. You just want to copy all that.
Oh my good god. And this is why you use GitHub.
This way you use GitHub.
Because there's a copy button like there. And I don't have to like worry about formatting and spacing and the first thing not being selected. Because of course it's a PDF.
You got
Good
this.
lord. I'm getting really confused because I'm currently using a Mac keyboard.
God, it fucking leveled
No,
everything.
that's what I mean. I've done this. I've done this from a PDF before.
Oh,
And
wow.
I know this was gonna happen. Like you'd never do that.
Okay, well,
So it would work anyways, though, right? No, it wouldn't because it's MicroPython and it needs the indents.
it's okay. He actually knows how to program, so I don't have to walk him through this part.
For a second there, my brain was like, have I forgotten Python completely? Done?
Theoretically, yeah. Just click the little green go icon. MicroPython. Okay. Go.
Oh, working?
One of them is. Why isn't the other one?
I think the other one will work in a second. That must be
No,
the
because
test.
it's just going backwards and forwards. Why the other one not working?
We have a wire missing here. No, these are.
No,
not.
these are for the battery, so I
Okay,
disconnected
so
the battery.
okay, fair. That don't matter, I guess.
This wheel not working. Yeah, so this motor just doesn't work. But I assume it's not the motor, it's the motor driver.
So, in conclusion, we have bad instructions, incomplete parts, which we had to file down to put together, one completely broken part, and yeah.
Alrighty, thank you for watching today's video. There's a link down below to where you can purchase this kit. I don't have any affiliate link for it, so none of it is coming towards me. So yeah, thank you for watching. Join us on next week's live stream where we'll be playing around with some of the sensors.
Hopefully they work.
Yeah. So yeah. See you then. You have to go down. Go down. See ya.